Hey everyone, I hope it's a beautiful day where you are. Right now here it is very gray and stormy, so I don't know how well the lighting will be here, but I hope where you are it's nice and sunny. I have another OCC unboxing, and today this one is for a boy 2 to 4, and it's an underwater theme. Alright, and then at the top I found these notebooks at my superstore for 99 cents, and I really like them because they're great for toddlers, and I think even 5 to 9s, but I really like this notebook. And there's also water theme on this. There's octopus and pirate, so I thought it would go well with his box. And that's what his box looks like from the top. At the very top here, he has one of these, I think it's called a baby paper, and it's just crinkly, but this side is very soft. I found these on Amazon, and a little tip if you didn't already know this, which you probably did, but you can make an OCC wish list and then just save items that you want to purchase on that list, and then if you scroll down ever so often, you'll see that the prices drop, and that's what happened with this. I got 2 of these for $5, and they were normally, I think, $11. So I just waited till the price dropped, and then I picked these up. So I do have another one of these. And then he has this really cute tank that says life of a sea turtle, and then it goes through the cycle life of a turtle, a sea one, and it's a 4T. And I got that at Old Navy, I think for just a couple dollars. He has this cute book from the Dollar Tree. The crab looks really cute. And I like how all these sea animals look very friendly. Even the octopus and the crab. He has a ball. And here is a green car. He has a pair of scissors. He has a water bottle with a shark and a little fish in the mouth. And I attached a little carabiner on it. At the top of the water bottle, I just see his toothbrush. And I'll lay everything out at the end of the video like I normally do. Now this is a bit of an oddball. I could not find a bigger squishy to fit in here that was under the sea theme. So I had some of these left over from last year because I used some of these last year. So I just put this in his box. So he has a little zebra. And he does have this little fishy, but I didn't want to just send this one. So the zebra and the fish can be friends. He has a compact mirror with a brush. Now this is a cute little sharpener. When you finish sharpening your pencil, the eyes on the frog pop up. So I thought that was really cute. And then he has another pencil sharpener here that also can sharpen crayons. Inside I just put some colorful lacing, and you'll see why he has that. Okay, so why he has the colorful lacing in his box is he has a lacing toy. And I just figured once this lace, you know, if he were to lose it or it were to wear down, he has more lace there that he can string through his little figurines. And I like this one here. And then there's more little characters for him to thread through. I think this is supposed to be seaweed. A little fish and a turtle. So I think that will be fun for him. It would help with his fine motor skills. And that's what the extra shoelaces are for. And then he has a pair of Old Navy flip-flops that have sharks on them. And I got these for 97 cents at Old Navy. And then his tin here has sharks on it. I love these, from the Dollar Tree. And he has a eraser, his little pipsqueak markers, kitten gray and leprechaun green. He has colored pencils in here, a comb. I'm sorry if I glared you. He has a cute little blue airplane eraser. And then I had kind of a duh moment. I homeschool my son and he uses these chubby pencils. But it wasn't until I saw Christy M show them in her toddler boxes that I thought, oh yeah, I could add these to my toddler boxes. So my son has the Stettler brand chubby pencils and they're not cheap. So I knew I couldn't really add too many of those into my boxes. So I started praying that I would find some chubby pencils that were at a better price. And I found these Jot brand at Dollar Tree and you get 2 for $1.25. So I was really happy to get those and I thought that was a good idea to put in your toddler shoe boxes. He has this little bell on a necklace. I just picked up a pack of these necklaces at Dollarama, and then the bell is good quality. I picked these up at Michael's in bulk. So he could wear it around his neck or just carry it. He has a whale little pouch, and it's really snug, but you can just fit in a pack of crayons and glue stick right in there. So, and this is actually one of my favorite things in his box. He has this, I was actually laughing in Walmart when I saw this. I thought it was hilarious. It's a dog on a surfboard with sunglasses, so that's his tote bag. And then I just added this little play pack in with some stickers. He has an extra notepad here just to doodle on. A toddler size poncho with band-aids in there. And then at the very bottom he has this little construction paper book that I made him. And I just punched holes in it and tied it with some string. And then I also put in this little sheet of stickers that kind of went with his theme. And then his folder, and I forgot to show this. He has a cute whale, and I made sure I put in scissors and glue stick in his box because I found these on Pinterest. It's color, cut, and paste. So I thought this would be good for him to work his mind and give him something to do. And I like that it shows the scissors so he can cut these out or trace them and then cut them out and paste them to his little boat. So I think it's something to keep him occupied, as well as this one. It shows the scissors and the glue stick. He can color them, cut them out, and put them in the fishbowl. And then he has cutting practice. There's a little fish there. And then this picture. Now this was how I tried to tie in the zebra. For some reason it printed off in like a hunter green. That's why it looks lighter. But it's a zebra drinking water at a water hole. And then Pinterest told me that this was a zebrafish. So that's how I tried to tie in my my little oddball here. So, you know, sometimes you can't get the theme perfect, and that is completely fine. Who knows, maybe his favorite animal will be a zebra. Maybe that will really tickle him to get one. All right, well, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this Boy 2 to 4 box. And I hope that you are getting your shoe boxes packed as well, and I will talk to you later.